Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to walk the ad of Family Dollars for this week. So this ad is going for September 5th through the 9th, and some of these sales are actually going to from September 5th all the way to October 31st of 2023. So like everyday low prices like this, that's what those tags look like. For the Dawn Easy Squeeze, you get a 1.5 pint size. And then we're looking for coupons like this, the smart coupons where you go in their Family Dollar app and you clip them so that you can save money. Also too, don't forget on Saturdays you can save an additional $5 off with a purchase of $25 or more, excluding taxes. So this is this coupon. This is a smart coupon for the Dawn Powerful Wash Free and Clear Spray. So that's the ounces and everything on it. So clip that coupon. Then you also have this smart coupon as well. This one, and these are all going for $9.9 for these two, okay? Then this one's gonna be that everyday low price for $5, okay? That's what that looks like. The ounces on that is right there for you guys. Okay, so here we go. This is just letting you guys know what's going on with that smart coupon. Let's go ahead and zoom it in so you guys can see. All right, and let's just go ahead and look at a couple more items for you guys. This was just a video is going to help you out with your shopping for this week. If you guys like videos like this, do me a favor, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Please make sure that you hit the bell notification for all notifications. Comment if you need to see an area, like, and please don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. I appreciate all the love and support that you do show my channel. Anyways, they also have the Cascade. This is the 22 to the 62 count. And this is going to be a smart coupon, so it's good till September 9th. This is going to be the everyday coupon all the way until October 31st. Same here. This is going to be only until the 9th of September. Same with the Finish Powerball. So you save additional $1.50, and these are both good until September 9th. All right, so let's look at some of the Febreze items. Over in the Glade area with all the plugins, the candles, and stuff like that, we have a new scent that they have. So a smooth bourbon and oak. You got a 2-pack candle. Then they also have a lavender and aloe. So that's what that looks like. Then coming over here, here's another new spray. This one's by Febreze, is Romantic Desire. It's an air mist, new. We have the smart coupon as well. So these, you save a $2 off and off of one item. I like stuff like that. So all the way until the 9th of September. Same with this guy. So all the ones I'm showing you right now are going to be good till the 9th of December. I keep saying December, September. I'm sorry, guys. So September. Same with these guys. These work really good. My trick, what I use with these is I like to put them in next to a fan, and it makes the whole house smell so good. And then we also got a new scent right here. This is Sweet Pawnee. All right, here's another new scent, a Coastal Sunshine Citrus. Let's see how that smells. Ooh, that smells good. All right, so, and then we have this scent. This is Sky and Sea Salt. So really cool. And then let's go look over at the laundry section. Okay, so with the Mr. Clean with the Glade scent, no, I said Glade, Gain scent. You save $1 off of 2, okay? And also too, we've got a smart coupon down here that's good till September 9th. And these are for the bigger bottles of the Gain. So that's what that looks. Okay, let's come over here. Okay, so we're gonna continue down the laundry aisle. I'll go down the cleaning aisle. And then, like I said, let's see how this video does and go from there. So this one again is September 9th. So I'm going to show you all the September 9th of what you can save. And then you could always just pause this and zoom in if you need to read what the coupon says, or like I said, you could find these coupons on their actual app. And we've got a new scent right here. This is Oxy Boost. Okay, here's another $3 off of a $15.95 item. That's pretty good. This is $1 off. Okay, the Arm & Hammer, you got them on sale for 2 for $6. This is a 32.5 ounce, so that's not too bad. You also have the smart coupon to bring this Tide Simply Oxy down to $9.45. We also have some new scents by Arm & Hammer. These are odor blasters. They also have the extras, 48 loads for you guys, 2 for $7. That's not bad. Purex is brought down to $3.35, and they got a new scent. Okay, let's look on this side. So they have Swivital on sale for for $1 instead of $1.25. You have the smart coupon for Bounce. So that's what that looks like. That's a clearance. I guess someone didn't want that, or they opened it. Okay, so here's some of these for fabric softeners. All right, and then you got that. These are new. Fresh Lavender by Downy. Fresh Rinse and Refresh. Okay, now these are a good price right here. It's a pretty good price. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and look over at the cleaning section and see what they have in stock for you guys. Okay, so coming over here, we have the Fabulosos. Compare the brands to their brands. That's what you would save the difference on. Okay, so same with these. You got the big bottle that is a 1 gallon. And then if you buy the home line, so $5 versus $8. And we've got a smart coupon right here, all the way good till September 9th. Everyday low price, so this is gonna be all the way until October 31st. So that's gonna be $9 for a 1 gallon. That's not bad at all. Okay, so if you guys like more videos like this, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Share this, and I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys have a blessed and awesome day. And like I said, if you guys like more videos like this, I will go ahead and do more sections of these so that you guys can see what they have for sale. So I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and see you guys real soon.